Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Gather a wire stripper, small soldering iron or crimp tool, heat shrink tubing, and a multimeter. Cut out the damaged section and strip 0. 5 to 1 mm of insulation from each conductor. Keep about 1-2 cm of jacket on each side to work with. This gives room for strain relief. Label or photograph the wire order so you don't mix signal and power. Once done, check each exposed conductor visually for corrosion or broken strands, because that determines whether you solder or crimp. Now join the conductors. Twist stranded wires tightly, then either tin both ends with solder or use a properly sized crimp connector. Solder gives lower resistance for data lines, while crimping is faster and robust. Match each pair power, ground, D+D, and CC/PD by color or your photo. Don't swap data and power. Once soldered, slip heat shrink over the joint. Use a small piece directly over the splice and an outer layer for strain relief. Make sure no bare wire can short. Finish by shrinking the tubing slowly so it seats without overheating. Add a bead of hot glue or a braided sleeve for extra strain relief and flex protection. Once cooled, test every conductor with your multimeter for continuity and expected resistance, then verify charging and data transfer with a known device. If something fails, recheck the wiring order and joints. Inspect the PD/CC chip area if present. Once you isolate whether the fault is the splice or the connector electronics, you'll know whether to redo the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.